Hey crafters, I'm going to share how I made the paper pots that I used for starting my loofah seeds indoors. I filmed this video while holding my camera, so if things look a little awkward, it's because I assembled this pot one-handed. The first step is to open a sheet of newspaper and cut it in half. Each half will make one paper pot. I took one half sheet of newspaper and folded it long ways. Then I grabbed a cylindrical cup and rolled the paper around the cup. I'm leaving excess paper hanging off the bottom of the cup, and the paper will likely wrap around more than once. To create the bottom, I turned the cup upside down and folded the excess paper at the bottom. I tried to fold in 4 directions, so from the top, the left, then the right, and lastly fold down the top section. If possible, I like to tuck that top fold under the other folds to hold the bottom somewhat closed. I flipped the cup back over and pressed it down on the table to really crease the paper pot and help it hold its shape. Then I slid the paper off the cup and my pot is ready to be filled with dirt. If you want your pot to be a little sturdier, you can also fold the open edge of the pot down about a ½ inch inside the top of the pot. If you don't have newspaper to use for this project, you can also use brown butcher paper. Butcher paper is sometimes used as filler with shipped items, so I held on to butcher paper from a package and made some pots with that as well. The newspaper pots don't last quite as long as the butcher paper pots, but I was able to make mine survive a full month before planting in the ground. Some had decomposed a little bit by the time I planted, but that's okay because the whole point of these pots is they can decompose. Hope y'all enjoyed this DIY.